Typically, institutional pools require surface maintenance every 4 to 6 years. The highest wear of pool coatings is usually the floor. So what factors influence the durability of coating systems? The quality of the surface being coated, its pre-painting preparation, the amount of paint film applied, the quality and maintenance of the water throughout the pool's life, and the coatings maintenance program. Overwhelmingly, when we visit pools requiring recoating, we see the floor, steps and lane marking has worn at a significantly faster rate than the walls. Often the paint film has been completely worn through, resulting in the substrate being degraded by the corrosive nature of the water. Often the walls are still in serviceable condition. The impact of uneven and often inadequately prepared substrate, prolonged surface contact, and inadequate film builds provide key challenges for durability of pool floor coatings. These regular observations and discussions with several aquatic facility managers have driven us to come up with a breakthrough solution to prolong the durability of pool floor surfaces. There are 3 key elements to providing a more durable pool floor coating. Firstly, thorough and detailed surface preparation is a critical element of providing a smooth base for Epotec SL to self-level and provide a seamless high-build finish. Floors require a full diamond grind, followed by a primer coat to seal the surface and then a full skim coat to minimize surface imperfections and voids in the substrate. We have developed a number of priming and skimming options dependent on surface conditions that are detailed in our online specification tool. A full diamond grind is required to remove all existing coatings and prepare the surface for accepting the specified Epotec primer. Diamond grinding is a highly effective method for preparing aged and uneven concrete surfaces for application of our Epotec SL Self Levelling Epoxy. After grinding and the surface being sealed, the skim coat can be applied. This is designed to fill voids and bug holes on the concrete and many of the remaining surface imperfections to provide a more consistent surface for the installation of the Epotec SL. Once the skim coat is dry, it is lightly sanded to denib and smooth the surface. After the surface is prepared, the Epotec SL self-leveling is installed to a wet film thickness of 2000 microns. Being 100% solids, it is critical for the Epotec approved applicator to achieve a consistent film application over the entire surface. The 2000 micron thick epoxy is over 4 times the amount normally installed with Epotec NT in our conventional epoxy system. As a point of comparison, Epotec SL application is up to 8 times the dry film build applied by some competitor epoxy systems. Only Epotec SL offers maximum durability and a truly tile-like, seamless, hygienic finish for pool floors. Contact the team at Coating Technologies for a specification and a fully trained Epotec approved applicator for your next pool refurbishment.